And welcome to Credit Dauphine. We're going to go ahead and get started by logging in as customer number 1. And we would like to check out our savings account, see how that's doing. Okay, our balance is pretty good. But let's see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of our checking account in there. And I'm really forgetful, so I don't remember how much money I have. Whoops, not that much. Well, let's try to at least put a little bit of money in there. Okay, so 13, 14, got some checks, and we'll go back and we can put about 500 in there, and we can deal with that. And we see that worked out. Oh, this I don't like this Orange Julius. It's 7 grand, so I'm gonna mark that as fraud. I don't even like Orange Julius. And then we're going to go back and take a look at this loan that we got that we didn't really want. I can't make any payments on that because it's frozen right now. So let's log in as a banker, and we'll take a look at the system from the other side. We see here that we have some accounts and fraudulent transactions that need our attention. And we have this duplication in the list. I don't know why that's happening. I've checked the code, a billion times, and I don't know why. It doesn't always happen. Anyway, come down here and we find, the $1,000 and $7,000 charges. We're going to assume that those are bad, so we reversed them. We notice that our balance went up. We're going to adjust customer 1's rating a little bit, bring that down, and we notice he has a frozen loan. So we're going to come over here and modify the terms on that. We probably didn't trust him with 5 grand, but maybe we can trust him with 4. And unfreeze his account, and now we notice that the transactions went away. And we no longer have his account at our attention. So now we're back at the home of customer 1. We see that our account is now active for the loan. We can make payments on it. So I'm going to actually just try to go ahead and get rid of this thing. And I'm really forgetful. I don't remember how much was in there. And let's just try to close it and see what happens. And we can't. Okay, well, there's just lets us cancel. So let's put the other 500 bucks in there so we can zero that out. Now we come in, try to close it. Now we can close it and it's gone. And while I'm at it, I'm going to update my email address because that one's really old. Superman at Gmail, it's pretty cool. And I'm going to log out. So let's see how the system looks with a brand new customer, Barry S., who just very coincidentally happens to have some data in my autofill. Not sure how that happened. Maybe he was using my computer while I was away. And got a pretty generic phone number and lives somewhere, happens to be really conveniently close, and Barry exists. Now we'll log in as Barry, and we'll find that Barry has no accounts, so let's go ahead and create a new one. Say he needs a personal checking account, and we're not going to be able to do anything with it, like get checks, because it hasn't been approved yet. So let's go back to our banker. And when we refresh, we see that we now have a new account that needs our attention. Come over here and we can see by the risk rating that it's brand new. Let's come in here and let's say that we trust Barry a whole lot. So he's got an overdraft of $20, and we'll even give him a little bit of an interest rate that he'll accrue, and no monthly fee. So we love Barry, and we'll give him a really awesome rating here. And now we see, we forgot to unfreeze Barry's new account. So until we do that, Barry can't use it. But now we see that no longer has our attention. Come back for Barry here, go into the account, and now we can request some checks. So works out pretty well for Barry. Barry's going to log out, and our banker's done for today. And well, change the password. They like to do that a lot. Go in here and change our password real quick before we log out, and there we go. Thanks for listening.